Assalamu alaikum, my beloved audience. Today I am at the bank of a pond. This pond is called Shah Jahan's Pond. The owner of this pond is Muhammad Shah Jahan Islam. He is my uncle. Actually, on the pond, here is a farm of ducks. So we heard the sound of duck. They have been already waked up. Here are given some fishes like rui, katla, and others. Actually, for farming fishes, here are given not only rui, katla, but also eagle, bata, and so on. When Shah Jahan gets time, he comes here. Normally, we can see that from dawn to evening, he cuts his time here. That's why he gets a great earn from here. We can see here also a yaram field. The cultivation of yaram has been very good, and he also known to us as a good farmer. And as a farmer, all of villagers like him very much because he is famous for his cultivation.